Today we're making smoked salmon pasta. You'll love this dish because you can make it in the same time it takes to make the noodles. So let's get started. Add olive oil and butter to a hot skillet, and then add some onions, chopped finely, and you just let them sweat. You don't want to brown them. And then comes a can of drained petite diced tomatoes, a little bit of salt for seasoning. The secret ingredient is ginger and a little bit of cognac. I know it sounds weird, but they add a great flavor. Minced smoked salmon comes next, and you just want to warm it through. And then some heavy cream. This gives the sauce its richness. And you just cook it for 1 or 2 minutes, just until everything is warmed through, and then add the cooked noodles. You see how quickly this comes together? Mix it up. I like to add a little bit of fresh parsley for color and freshness. And that's it. This dish is ready in less than 20 minutes, and it's a great meal for busy weeknights. Enjoy.